Ayan po, malas kami. Kasi nasa peak kami. Nasa peak pero wala po kami makita kahit ano. Para kaming, eto mga misis ko hindi ko na makita eh. Nasaan ka na? Huy! Kaming dalawa lang po nagkikita ni misis eto. Ayan. So, wala po kami nakita rito. Isang, hi ma'am! Beautiful. Beautiful people only. Wala. Diyan daw dapat makikita natin yung buong Hong Kong. Yan, no? We can see in the background.
It's raining.
But we cannot see anymore. Ayan. So many tourists. We cannot see anything.
Anymore.
We can see anything. We can see anything. Supposedly, we can see this, no? In the normal view. The Pacific is Pacific? No. This the Hong Kong. There. But we can't see anything. We're here. We're here. See that? We're here. Okay, thank you very much. We can see anything. Yan po, ganun po ang nangyari.